Today, our team will be introducing Oil Loop, where it's used to ensure food safety through transparency and decentralization using Web3. So, our prompt statement is, currently, there's a lot of expired oil that's sold in the market. Like, for example, in April 2017, Shanghai authorities caught a company relabeling over 10,000 bottles of expired imported olive oil and reselling it, leading to millions of illegal sales. And secondly, review oil and counterfeit packaging. So there is some case that where companies or middlemen, retail stores, when they have the original oil and they repackage it with some new other different refill oil. And thirdly, smuggling of subsidized oil and unverified sources. So in July 2024, recently, Kelantan authorities busted a syndicate smuggling 7,000 kg of subsidized cooking oil to a neighboring country, exposing an organized illegal supply chain. So the problem here is it's a severe problem that food fraud incident is rising significantly from 2020 to 2023. So there's over 1,041% of growth from this range. So it's a very severe problem that should raise our awareness. Okay, so our solution is we are using this Web3 blockchain platform to track these oils, where they go, and record the paths. So we have batch tracking and product verification, supply chain visualization, and fraud prevention. Okay, so this is to solve two SDGs, which is good health and well-being, also responsible consumption and production. Okay, so our unique selling point is, compared to other Web3, other Web2 apps or website, we have better real-time traceability, where we can know from the manufacturing date, starting from manufacturing date, the oil package will be stored in the blockchain platform. So every time when people update it, when it arrives at a new place, or people update the chain, so we will know where the oil actually goes, and the manufacturing date cannot be changed. Like, let's for example, previously I've mentioned the relabeling issues. So using this blockchain platform, we can know the exact manufacturing date and not getting relabeled. And we also have better security, also open data access, where the data is immutable to changes. Okay. So next, this is our business model. We are using pay-per-check method. So every time when user or consumers, they want to ensure the package is the original package, or they want to check whether the path where this oil come from, or where this food come from, they can use the unique ID of the packaging to check the history path. And the market for this is very big, since this is a high frequency product, which is cooking oil, and there's millions of potential lookups. And it's also aligned with the government food safety push. So this idea, it actually can be broadened into food safety, not only in cooking oil. And also using blockchain, this immutable feature, people cannot easily edit the database, or like anything like usual Web2, they can edit the server, or server can be down. So, and there's no hardware needed. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Okay, so this will be the demo of our webpage. So before getting started, it will ask you to connect your wallet first. So we have made 3 demo wallets for testing purpose, but let me show you the general first. So let's say I click MetaMask. It will ask you to enter your registration. So let's say I'll just register first. Right, after registering, you will come to this page where I have my information as manufacturer. So let me use the demo account for this. Okay, so for demo purpose, we'll be using demo wallets for testing. So now I will choose for manufacturer first. So manufacturer, we have this create product and play. Right. So for manufacturer, we have this create product function, where you can you automatically fill your manufacturer address, and you can fill in your product name. And when you click create product, it will save it in the chain. So it will have the details of your products like this. Okay, so let's say okay, so now we'll be demo for okay, so let's demo for middleman. Okay, let's demo for middleman. Okay, so for middleman, there is a function to receive product, where when you key in the product ID, it will automatically use your details to store in the product, where it will update the product on chain, where when you update the product, it will show that where the product drop at. Like, let's say when I put receive product here for this product. So when I click receive product, it will update the chain as my company name and my location, so you can track where the product is now. So this is for the middleman to use to check the product ID and to see where the path and the description and the price. Okay, so for consumer, same. you have this check product function, but instead you need to pay to check. And this is the core of our system, where when consumer or user, when they want to check the product to see their path or to see their the route and the manufacturing date, everything, they want to ensure their safety, they use this function to check. And every time they pay a little bit of the viewing fee to get to know more information about the product. So that's all for our demo. Thank you.
Yeah, so I will demonstrate the function of our graph node. So first we have to register as manufacturer. We have to give the wallet address and key in the name and also the location. So we have to accept it from the MetaMask. Then it will show us, yeah, registered successfully. So the next part is where manufacturer can create new all product. So we key in the address that we registered just now, and we key in a product name. Then as we click the create product, it will actually deploy to the optimism supplier testnet, which we deploy using the smart contract that developer ourselves. So same thing, we confirm this, then we can get this transaction hash is actually the ID of this product. So we copy it. So the last part is actually where the consumer can check the product authenticity. Then he can just simply key in the ID that we get just now when we create the product. Then we can pay some TH and check it. So when we actually check it, the graph node will pull the data from the supplier testnet blockchain. It will store it into the node. So when he key in this ID, it will compare whether it exists in our graph node or not. If it exists, it will show the details like this. If it not exists, we can consider the product is not genuine. So we mainly use the graph for its immutability, where the record is not easy to change.